Okay, I got that piece there cut off. That really helped. That was a lot of wasted material. It's now 31 to 32, I mean 30 to 31, depending on where you check it from, which really helps. That lowers my weight and everything. And on this end, it's going to be, I think, 26. That really helps. So that'll get the log weight down and on all of them, and not really hurt my productivity as far as the boards. Boards should still be good. Okay, had lunch delivered, burnt grilled cheese, cucumbers, and tomatoes. If you're gonna burn one, you might as well burn two. And lemonade, right on time.